I'm going to discuss about escaping by using closure in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about escaping closure by using Swift. Today I am going to discuss about escaping closure by using Swift. So what is escaping closure and what is escaping? A closure is said to be escape a function. A closure is said to be escape a function when the closure is passed on an argument as an argument. When the closure is passed as an argument to the function, but it's called after the function return. But it's called after the function return. So when the closure is passed as an argument, when the closure is passed as an argument to the function, but it's called after the function return, or the closure is used to outside of the body and outside of the function. So let's go, we can create a example and consider on this code. So we can create a function. This is a asynchronous function. What is create? Today I'm going to describe asynchronous function. So we can create a asynchronous function. Func test, which have a name on this function, test escaping closure. So which have a parameter on UR, suppose which have a parameter name, which is type of string, and completion handler, which is type of which have a string parameter argument and no return and void return value, return type. This is a void, which have create of function body. So first we can create a print statement, print before completion handler calling. Before completion handler call, first statement before completion handler call, we can use of print statement, and we can calling on the completion handler. So first is wait on escaping. Today I'm going to discuss about escaping. So this is called on this wait. We can mention on this keyword before argument type, mention on the escaping, that escaping before mention on the argument type, handle on the escaping. So escaping we can use of wait. Escaping meaning is wait. Real meaning is escaping is wait. So today, so wait. So we can create a time. So dispatch queue dot main dot async after dispatch time dot no is current time and plus dot second wait on this second. Suppose we have 2 second wait. So execute is remove and use of the body on this dispatch time, and we can create a print statement call completion handler call on this completion handler. We can use the print statement. So we can calling on the completion handler, which is type of name or type of which have a argument type. But so we can assign this name as argument type, and we can create another print statement, print after calling completion handler. After calling completion handler, we can use of print statement, and function is return, but it's not return value, not avoid empty return value, but we can use another return value. So we can use on this function. So use calling on the test escaping function, test escaping handler. so which have name is Swift escaping closure, and we can calling on the completion handler which have a name, and we can use of the print statement, print on this name. So we can run check on this our function. So first calling is before completion handler is called before completion handler, and second is after completion handler. Second calling is after completion and is 2 second wait, and after calling on this call completion and Swift escaping closure is call on this closure Swift escaping closure which have a parameter string name and calling on the Swift. Suppose which have change on this second, so this is 4 second we can run. So before completion call and after completion handler call. Before completion and 4 second wait. So 4 second wait and after calling on this call completion and Swift escaping closure is name, so which have a parameter name and we can use it. So what is escaping closure? A closure is said to be escape a function when the closure is passed as an argument to the function but is called after the function return. After the function calling function return is called on this closure, and we can remove on this return, so we can same execute on this code. Nobody can, which have void return type. This is function type is void return type. We can calling 4 seconds. Suppose which have a change on this 5th second we can run. So escaping is what is escaping? So when the closure is passed as an argument to the function but is called after the function return, is calling it dispatch, and escaping is wait on this function. Suppose which have a target on this wait any value for any function, so we can use of escaping. We can use of escaping, and which have a function completion handler is called asynchronous function. So this is a asynchronous function. Asynchronous function in Swift and using of escaping keyword on this Swift. So thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy.